Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be doing a taste test with Killer Hog's Rub and Hardcore's Rub. We're going to do a taste comparisons and stay tuned to the end to see which one won, you guys. Yes, I'm doing a taste test, so let's get into it. All right, so the first season we're going to be using is Killer Hog's, the barbecue rub that he has. This is what we're going to use first. I'm just going to be seasoning the top, no binder. You know what I'm saying? Normally, I don't never do a binder. It doesn't make any sense to me, but, you know, some people do it to each his own. But I'm going to evenly coat it over with this Killer Hog first, and then we're going to get over to the other seasoning. Just evenly coat it. It's a really nice blend. You know, that it goes well with your, so your ribs. And cover well, because the Killer Hog is well balanced. You know what I'm saying? You can cover it up. All right, you guys, so let me do the last one. So I'm doing 2 Killer Hog and then 2 Hardcore. And these are St. Louis ribs. I mean, these are spare ribs, my bad. Full spare ribs. All right, so it's fully coated. I'm gonna set these to the side, and then we're gonna get over season the other one. All right, so now we're gonna be using Hardcore red, you know what I'm saying, seasoning. So, you know, let me know in the comments, you know what I'm saying, which one you prefer or which one do you use and stuff like that. And if there's any seasoning that you would like for me to do the taste test for, or, you know what I'm saying, to showcase against, you know what I'm saying, let me know, you know what I'm saying, or if any seasoning you wanna send me to do the same exact thing, you know what I'm saying, let me know and shoot it to me in my mail, and then I'll do a video on it, you know, next. But yep. So let me start coating it up. Now this one I can already tell has a lot of black pepper in it, which is good. You know, nothing like having some good old black pepper. You come down to your seasoning. I don't like too much, but I like just enough of black pepper, especially on my ribs, because my ribs, barbecue ribs, you know, now beef rib, different story. So I can see that was fully coated. I'm not coating it at the bottom. Mostly everything is seasoned. I'm not gonna waste no seasoning on the bottom. You know, and I'm not taking the membrane off. Some people do. You know what I'm saying? I'm leaving everything the same. This is just a test on the rub, you guys. So I'm getting them all across. We're gonna see who wins. Let me know in the comments who you think gonna win between the 2 seasons, Killer Hog and Hardcore. You know, or like I said, let me know if you have tried this. Or, you know, a buddy of mine uses Hardcore. You know, I actually called him up about it. He's been raving about it. He actually likes the black. You know, the Hardcore black. I knew when it's out. I'm gonna have to try that one next, probably on some brisket. So it's fully cut. You know what I'm saying, coated. That's how it's supposed to look. You know what I'm saying? You want to, sometimes you want to let it rest for a good hour. That's the minimum. Or what you can do is let it, you know what I'm saying, the seasoning, you know what I'm saying, get into it for overnight. But it's up to you. All right, so we're just gonna let it do for an hour, and I'm gonna throw it on the smoker to show you, you know, how to cold smoke some ribs. All right, so, you know what I'm saying, we just finished seasoning up the ribs and everything with the 2 seasonings, you know, using the Hardcore red and also the Killer Hog, so barbecue one. So right now I'm gonna show you how to cold smoke your ribs. So what is cold smoking? So basically what cold smoking is you're gonna put your ribs in your grill, your smoker, before you turn it on. Because the first thing you do is the first thing when your smoker is, you know, starting to, you know, smoke and burn, that's when you get the largest smoke, you know what I'm saying, in your meat. So, you know, you want to take advantage of that. Many people pretty much put their meat on, you know what I'm saying, after it already get hot. But I'm gonna show you this cold smoke way to do it, where you can get the most out of your pellets, you know what I'm saying, because you're burning to get hot, you know what I'm saying, but why not use it, you know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna show you how to get into it. So what we're gonna do is come over here, I'm gonna show you, basically, you know what I'm saying, start up to the temperature. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put it on 300. I'm gonna put it on 300 degrees, and pretty much that's all you gotta do, guys. You know what I'm saying? Once you start smoking, it hits your meat right away. And so I put, you know, where I separated them, if you wanna see, is at the top is Killer Hog seasoning. At the bottom is Hardcore. So that's why I know the difference between the 2 of them. So right now, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna let it do its thing, and I'm gonna show you how it turns out when it's done. All right, you guys, so the ribs are done. I chopped them up. These are the Killer Hog seasoning, and these are the Hardcore reds. So, you know, I'm gonna do a little taste test after I do all of this. So, Killer Hog versus Hardcore. All right, you guys, so the ribs are done. So let me show you what we're gonna be doing with the taste test. You see here on the right, we got the Hardcore. red. And see, we on the left, we have the Killer Hog, the barbecue rub. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna taste them, tell you my opinion on, who won. Leave me in the comments below who you think might have won. All right, you guys, but they both, the coloring on them looks pretty good. On the ribs and stuff like that, I can see one has more pepper than they do. I see that Hardcore has more pepper look into it, where Killer Hog has more red paprika. Both of them have a red coloring, but let's get it testing it next. All right, you guys, so let's have this taste test. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna try out Killer Hog first, and then I'm gonna try Hardcore. So his rib done. This is Killer Hog's seasoning. Let's see what it tastes like. Pretty good flavor. I'll go back in. Not bad, not bad. Wait till the end. I'll tell you what I think about it. Sure. Let me get over to Hardcore Red. Now the full name of Hardcore Red is Hardcore Red All-Purpose Seasoning. All right, so let me bite this. Now, as you can see that Hardcore has the pepper. You know what I'm saying? You see the glaze right here. It has some kind of sweet in it. So I'm gonna see if I can see if it's more sweet, or savory. Okay, taste the pepper. I taste more paprika as well. I should really say I can see a hint of sweetness. It's more on the savory side. So between the two, I like them both. But if I were to choose, I'm more of a savory. So Hardcore wins it, and the runner-up is Killer Hog, because I do like the sweet base to it. So let's see how to do it if I blend them both together. They probably work hand in hand. But mind you, I didn't put nothing on here. I didn't put much of a binder or anything. So it pretty much came out pretty good, guys. I hope you enjoyed the lesson today. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for stopping by the Urban Culture Kitchen, you guys. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Hopefully you enjoyed the class, the little teaching, and hope you enjoyed, just having a little taste test on seasonings. I know there's many out there to choose from. So, if you like this video, you like, want to see more of these types of videos as far as, testing different products, different people's seasoning, let me know in the comments below. If you have your season of your own you created, send it to me. I could definitely feature it on the video. But thanks for coming through. I'm gonna finish up these ribs, and I'll see you in the next one.